project on the Miata. Isaac's already wrenching.
It's going to be a meticulous one. This is the fine art of getting gauges onto the Miata. So I have to say this is some of the most beautiful packaging for a bunch of gauges that I ever received. Handwritten, signed by the creator, Adam. This is what we call the FM version. FM standing for Fly Miata. And in the full theme of the car, everything on the vehicle that's aftermarket on the vehicle came from Fly Miata. So the gauges have to be Fly Miata too. My goal is to make it the ultimate Fly Miata car. The Fly Miata RPM gauges.
I'll show you guys real quick what he's talking about to get matching. He has this little boost gauge here, and the idea is the gauge cluster is going to match this. See this old man try to get in here.
Old man. You calling an old man?
Is there any more here? I think I missed a screw here.
Alright, so Isaac got it out, pulled that out. Now we're over here doing the bump part. The form is unreal.
It's all about the form. You don't want to ruin your back. You got to keep the form informed.
Yeah.
Scared for my life right now. What if I don't do it? What if I don't do it? Sheesh. It's a sketchy one.
Getting this back in. Isaac's working on that.